Hi everyone, Matthew here at AAWeatherWatch, taking a look at the weather through the rest of the week. Obviously the final day of August and the opening day of September, and a quick look as things stand for the forthcoming weekend as well. Now we do have some good news on the horizon. It is an area of high pressure, essentially situated within this region here, just to the southwest of the country. This will bring an increasingly fine and settled period of weather to end the working week and also start the weekend. However, within the short term, through the rest of Wednesday and also into Thursday, we have some scattered showers filtering in from the west across the country. You can see those scattered showers on satellite imagery here, and I will take a quick look at latest rainfall radar shortly. There's a region of wet weather to the southeast of the country beneath this region of cloud, and bringing your attention to this quite impressive curl of cloud, a textbook area of low pressure just to the east of Newfoundland. It is the weather systems associated with this area of low pressure which will approach Ireland from the west through the course of Sunday at the moment. But prior to that, as I've indicated, Friday and Saturday both looking fine with some settled weather. Back to the here and now, we'll just take a quick look at the latest rainfall radar and satellite image, and you can see there is some scattered showers just filtering into some northern and western areas of the country in particular. Otherwise, there is a lot of fine and dry weather so far today, and as you can see on satellite imagery too, the cloud is particularly well broken, and that is allowing for some decent spells of sunshine as well. And essentially through the remainder of Wednesday, it will be a day of sunshine and scattered showers as the afternoon progresses, and again a similar day is forecast on Thursday. So let's move on now and take a look at the forecast weather charts, put the details onto the forecast through the rest of Wednesday and the rest of the working week. And again, through the remainder of the day, it is a mixture of sunshine and showers. You can see the weather model, how they develop the showers from the west through the course of Wednesday afternoon and into Wednesday evening. Some of these showers, by the time we get to the middle and latter half of the afternoon, could be locally heavy, but equally as we move through to Wednesday evening, most of the showers will then clear away to leave behind a predominantly dry night ahead through into Thursday. So we move into Thursday morning with a lot of fine and dry weather across inland areas. There could well be some coastal showers, as exampled by the latest weather chart for around about 6 o'clock on Thursday morning. Now essentially as Thursday progresses, again it will be a very similar day to that of today, Wednesday, with a mixture of sunshine and showers developing as the day progresses. The showers once again through the course of the afternoon, certainly locally heavy, perhaps even a rumble of thunder possible, perhaps particularly so across some northern and eastern areas of the country. But as the afternoon and evening progresses, the showers will die away from the west, and this then leads on to a dry evening through into the early hours of Friday. And Thursday night into Friday will be particularly chilly beneath some light winds and clear skies. And the reason for the improvement in the weather to end the working week is we have an area of high pressure building in from the west within this region here, and essentially Friday is a fine day for many areas. It will be a locally chilly start, as I've indicated, on Friday morning, but otherwise the day will be dry with brighter sunny spells and variable cloud across the country. Winds light, certainly feeling pleasant enough in the sunshine, late August, early September sunshine, but equally overall temperatures will be a little bit below average for the time of year. And just quickly jumping ahead as things stand at the moment, taking a quick look at Saturday, and at the moment in time most of Saturday is set to be dry. However, as you can see, approaching from the west is a more significant region of wet and windy weather, and at the moment in time it does look as though the weekend will be a weekend of two halves, with Saturday predominantly dry with some brighter sunny spells at least for a time, but then towards the end of the afternoon and then overnight through into Sunday, those outbreaks of wet and windy weather spread eastwards through the course of Sunday. So we'll finally take a look at the latest temperatures now through the next day or so. And temperatures this afternoon through the rest of Wednesday, generally a little bit below average for late August, ranging between around about 13 and 16 degrees Celsius, perhaps locally 17 in places. This evening and overnight through into early Thursday, as I've indicated, a particularly cool, if not a chilly night for late August. As you can see, minimum temperatures, particularly away from towns and cities, in more rural areas, just 6 or 7 degrees Celsius, almost a hint of autumn as we move through into early Thursday with a chilly start. However, temperatures do recover on Thursday, very similar to Wednesday. Again, highs 15, 16, perhaps 17 degrees Celsius, but equally the temperature soon dropping away as the scattered showers pass through. Another chilly night on Thursday night and into Friday. Once again, minimum temperatures perhaps just 6 or 7 degrees Celsius, as ever though higher around coastal areas and in towns and cities. And we end the working week with that better weather approaching. Temperatures do recover somewhat, highs 16, 17 or perhaps 18 degrees Celsius, so a very pleasant day and very pleasant opening day to September is forecast. So let's finally summarise that in our midweek weather summary. Looking at Thursday the 31st, last day of August, sunshine and showers on Thursday, winds locally heavy for a time before clearing away from the west later in the day. A relatively cool day and certainly turning chilly overnight through into Friday, and we end the working week and obviously it's the start of September with a very pleasant day overall. Yes, it will be a chilly start with a hint of autumn, but otherwise high pressure becomes the dominant feature through the day, and as a result this means a pleasant day with brighter sunny spells, and it will be dry to end the working week. So that's all the details for the rest of the week. As ever, I'll be back with you on Friday, focusing on the details for the opening weekend of September. So thanks for tuning in, and all the very best.